So the iPhone 13 was announced with macro photography capabilities. The wide angle is capable of focusing on objects as close as 2 centimeters. And this got me wondering, what can I get in terms of macro photography with my Galaxy S21? And the results were pretty amazing. The Galaxy S21 Ultra also has a macro mode. Its lens can go up to 3 cm close of any object. But both the Ultra and iPhone 13 have macro photography in the wide angle lens. So I won't think those lenses will be able to capture images like this with such nice background blur. And in terms of results with the S21, I was pretty amazed. As I said, the sensor used in this phone is very capable technically. The results are very good, mainly because this camera allows a lot of flexibility. All the shots that you see in this video were taken from my Galaxy S21. I was very lucky to be able to capture this fly, as it didn't fly away. Maybe it was tired. This image was taken from Galaxy S21 using the Pro mode. The minimal focus distance for Galaxy S21 is about 7 centimeters, which is pretty good. 2 centimeters can be too much, as you would be so close to an object that you wouldn't know what the actual object is. And all of the subjects in this video are really small. This spider shot came out to be also very good. Here's the unedited version of this shot. Both of this shot was taken in RAW. I did do some photo editing in Lightroom in my computer before putting it out here. Let me know if you guys want to see how that process goes and want to learn more about it. You can also follow me on Instagram to see all of my other edits. The Pro Video mode was the key to getting some of these shots, as the subject is so small that the autofocus is not able to focus in it. Even if you tap on the screen, the autofocus does not work. So I was manually setting the focus to be as near as possible and moving the phone to get these shots on focus. And as it's very close to the subject, even small shakes can have a very big impact on the footage, but nonetheless, I am in love with the results. If you capture the footage in 4K or 8K, you can crop even more to get even more close to the object. You can also use the 3x sensor. It also has similar focus distance as the main sensor, but it doesn't look as good. You can tell it right away when you switch that the quality is degraded. So that's pretty much it. If you like these shots here, please follow me on Instagram. I do post such captures and interesting edits there, which you would probably like. And a like to this video and subscribe to this channel will really motivate me to keep making such content and tutorial for you guys. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Keep capturing.